Diana, Princess of Wales. Born Diana Frances Spencer, the 1st of July 1961 to the 31st of August 1997, was a member of the British royal family. She was the first wife of Charles, Prince of Wales, the heir apparent to the British throne, and the mother of Prince William and Prince Harry. Diana's activism and glamour made her an international icon and earned her an enduring popularity as well as an unprecedented public scrutiny, exacerbated by her tumultuous private life. Born Diana Frances Spencer, the 1st of July 1961. Sandringham, Norfolk, England. Died the 31st of August 1997, aged 36. Paris, France. Burial the 6th of September 1997, Althorp, Northamptonshire, England. Spouse Charles, Prince of Wales. Married 1981, divorce 1996. Son Prince William and Harry. Father John Spencer, 8th Earl Spencer. Mother Frances Roche. Diana was born into the British nobility and grew up close to the royal family on their Sandringham estate. The youngest daughter of John Spencer, 8th Earl Spencer, and Frances Shandkid. She was strongly affected by their divorce in 1967. She did not distinguish herself academically, but was talented in music, dance, and sports. In 1978, she moved to London, where she lived with flatmates and took on various low-paying jobs. Diana came to prominence in 1981 upon her engagement to Prince Charles, the eldest son of Queen Elizabeth II, after a brief courtship. Their wedding took place at St. Paul's Cathedral in 1981 and made her Princess of Wales, a role in which she was enthusiastically received by the public. The couple had two sons, the Princes William and Harry, who were then second and third in the line of succession to the British throne. Diana's marriage to Charles, however, suffered due to their incompatibility and extramarital affairs. The couple separated in 1992, soon after the breakdown of their relationship became public knowledge. The details of their marital difficulties became increasingly publicized, and the marriage ended in divorce in 1996. As Princess of Wales, Diana undertook royal duties on behalf of the Queen and represented her at functions across the Commonwealth realms. She was celebrated in the media for her unconventional approach to charity work. Her patronages initially centered on children and youth, but she later became known for her involvement with AIDS patients and campaign for the removal of landmines. She also raised awareness and advocated ways to help people affected with cancer and mental illness. As princess, Diana was initially noted for her shyness, but her charisma and friendliness endeared her to the public and helped her reputation survive the acrimonious collapse of her marriage. Considered to be very photogenic, she was a leader of fashion in the 1980s and 1990s. Media attention and public mourning were extensive after her death in a car crash in a Paris tunnel in 1997 and subsequent televised funeral. Her legacy has had a deep impact on the royal family and British society. Education and career of Prince Diana. Diana was initially homeschooled under the supervision of her governess, Gertrude Allen. She began her formal education at Silfield Private School in Gayton, Norfolk, and moved to Riddlesworth Hall School, an all-girls boarding school near Thetford. When she was 9, she joined her sisters at Westheath Girls' School in Sevenoaks, Kent, in 1973. She did not shine academically, failing her O-levels twice. Her outstanding community spirit was recognized with an award from Westheath. She left Westheath when she was 16. Her brother Charles recalls her as being quite shy up until that time. She showed a talent for music as an accomplished pianist. Diana also excelled in swimming and diving, and studied ballet and tap dance. After attending Institut Alpen Vidimanet, a finishing school in Rougemont, Switzerland, for one term, and leaving after the Easter term of 1978, Diana returned to London, where she shared her mother's flat with two school friends. In London, she took an advanced cooking course, but seldom cooked for her roommates. She took a series of low-paying jobs. She worked as a dance instructor for youth until a skiing accident caused her to miss 3 months of work. She then found employment as a playgroup preschool assistant, did some cleaning work for her sister Sarah and several of her friends, and acted as a hostess at parties. Diana spent time working as a nanny for the Robertsons, an American family living in London, and worked as a nursery teacher's assistant at the Young England School in Pimlico. In July 1979, her mother bought her a flat at Coleham Court in Earl's Court as an 18th birthday present. She lived there with 3 flatmates until the 25th of February 1981. Princess Diana's qualities. Diana, Princess of Wales, changed quite a bit during the roughly 15 years she spent living in the public spotlight. When she became engaged to Charles, she was a quiet, respectful, but rather naive 19-year-old, earning her the nickname, Shaggy. As time went on and she began carrying out more public duties, her sense of empathy seemed to shine through most often. She seemed to be able to walk into a room and instinctively know who was hurting the most and who needed a little bit of comfort. She expressed in interviews later in her life that it was her own personal unhappiness that led her to identify with others who were suffering, and why she tried to focus so much attention on those who other people seemed to not want anything to do with. As the trouble with the Waleses' marriage became more apparent to the public, and certainly after the two had officially separated, the world started seeing more confidence in Diana. She began to understand how to use all of the press attention she received to her advantage, and she used it very, very well. Diana's affection for children was also a constant in her personality. William and Harry, when publicly remembering their mother, almost always talk about how much fun she was to be around as a child. How she would laugh at the silliest things and was just as imaginative as they were at that age. Even before her marriage to Charles, she spent her time working at a local kindergarten, helping to take care of the children who attended. Even those who strongly disagreed with the decisions Diana made later in life agreed that her fondness for children, and her loyalty and affection for her own two boys, was completely genuine and ingrained in who she was. At Diana's funeral in 1997, her younger brother, Earl Spencer, gave a beautiful eulogy which reminded the listeners that Diana was human, with faults and flaws like all of us. He urged people not to rush to canonize his sister, adding that to ignore the very real flaws that were present in her personality would ignore the very essence of who she was as a person. Beautiful, gentle, empathetic, caring, but also naive, lonely, and a bit broken from all of the tumult she had gone through along the way.